YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And I got this very glam but kind of neutral kind of look for New Year's. Now I tried one look, didn't work out. I tried another look, did not work out. I really tried to come up with something that was kind of extra, kind of busy, but you know what? Sometimes less is more when it comes to New Year's. So this is my New Year's glam look that I came up with. And I didn't do my hair. This is my same hairstyle from the other day. It's kind of messy, but this is the look I came up with. If you're interested in seeing how I got this beautiful look, don't forget to stay tuned and keep on watching. Bye. Okay, starting with our brows and our concealer already laid, we're going to go into this medium brown shade in the Warrior palette, and we're going to basically color in our transitional area, basically putting down a base, and we're going to do that on both eyes. And then we're grabbing the brown shade and we're going to do kind of like a crease color, which is a little darker than the original color, which is our transitional shade, and just darken up that crease. And we're going to do that on both eyes also. Next, we're going to grab this gold and we are going to lay that down onto our mobile lid, and we're going to make sure that's packed really good because we're not using any concealer first. So we're just going to put that directly onto the lid, and as you can see, it's a very pigmented look. Then we're going to go ahead and do our liner, and just take your time with this. I messed up a little bit and I had to go back and fix it. But naturally, liner is a little difficult, especially the liquid liner. So just take your time. And I'm going to do that with both eyes. And feel free to go ahead and pause this video at any time. You don't have to rush yourself or anything like that. Just take your time with it. Remember, this is just a video, so you can always pause it. So as you can see, I'm working on getting my liner to match to the best of my ability. And once I get my liner on, I go in and I fix any mistakes by grabbing the gold color and just basically going over it again. So next, I'm using my Caution mascara to basically coat my lashes and get them ready for my lashes later on. Then I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation, and I'm just dotting it on, and then using the NYX brush to blend that in. Okay, so once we get everything blended in to the best of our ability, don't forget your edges and around your eyes. Try to get as close as you can. Then you're going to go in with your concealer. I'm using Makeup Forever high definition concealer. And I am doing, you know, my forehead, my lip, my lower lip, my chin, all that good stuff. And then going in with a wet beauty blender, or you can use a brush, and I chose to use a brush today. And I'm going in with that and basically blending everything in to the best of my ability. I'm using stippling motions around my cheeks, so that everything is nice and flawless. So like I said, just take your time with blending this part in, because you don't want to blend it until it's like gone, because that's your highlight area. Next, I'm going over my highlight and I'm setting it with my black opal powder in the color, I think this is Deep. And once I get that on, I'll let it sit for a few seconds, and then I'll go in with my brush, and I'll be using the Black Radiance pressed powder in Cafe to basically brush everything away. And after that, I'll use that same pressed powder and I'll go over my face and I'll set my face, and then I'll use Rich Mahogany to contour. So that's what you see me doing there. I'm actually contouring first, and then I'll go over the rest with my Cafe a little later. And here you see me applying my lashes, which we all know I struggle on, but I've been getting a lot of requests to go ahead and show you guys how I put the lashes on. So that's what you see me doing here. And once I actually get them on, everything will come together in a beautiful, beautiful look. The one thing I do love about lashes is no matter how bad your eyeliner is, no matter how bad your eyeshadow is, your lashes always make your look amazing. So big ups to the person who invented lashes. We appreciate you, boo. But yeah, you see me putting these lashes on. I got them in a 3-pack off of Amazon. Amazon is your friend, guys. You guys should definitely try them. These lashes are amazing and they last. So next I will be doing my lips, and I am using a kind of berry kind of color NYX lip liner to line my lips, and then I'll go in with 2 different types of gloss. These gloss don't have a name. I got this from Forever 21. So, you know, I apologize for that. But I really like how blendable and kind of milky these glosses are. I think they look amazing. And that's how I got this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a little bit in depth, a little more than usual, but like I said, it was a very kind of neutral glam kind of look for New Year's Eve. And I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends. Bye.